You're spitting on me.
Why
are you always in your underwear when I'm vlogging?
I don't know.
Hey guys, today is Monday, June 1st. My hair did not come out the way it was supposed to. We are at the airport. We are on our way. We're going on a trip on your favorite rocket ship. We found really cheap tickets to go to New Orleans, and I saw the dates they had and we're like, hey, why not? What else are we doing? So it's just me, Femi, and my mom, because Niles didn't think he would have the dates available, but some other trips he had fell through. So anyways, it's just us this time around. Now almost 10 o'clock, which means it's almost 11 o'clock back home, and we're gonna go find food. Hey guys, so we are in our hotel. The kid is knocked out. It's really pretty late actually. It is like, see the time? So it's 12:50, which means back home in Georgia it's 1:50, almost 2 a.m. My mom is out on some slots right now, because you know that's what you do when you grown, I suppose. And me, I'm over here working on newsletters and awesome things like that. I'm tired, but like, I have amazing inspiration and work ethic when it comes to the middle of the night. So I'm taking advantage of, you know, being on vacation to do that. Tomorrow, I'm hoping we don't have to get up too early. I don't think we should, but tomorrow I want to take Femi to, I don't know if I'm gonna do it tomorrow or the next day, but I want to take Femi to the zoo, and I want to get in a haunted tour, or like a tour of haunted places, or vampires. They have a lot of cool tours like that here. And then the other thing that I want to do for sure while I'm here is hit up a voodoo shop or two, because it's just kind of thing that I'm into. So yeah, I thought this was so interesting because I saw in the other video, you notice how like right here is dark. I think when I was out at the track meet the other day, you guys, I'm prone to sunburning because I am kind of a light bright. And that little brown right there is either really tan or sunburned. And I always know I've gotten too tan. I've been out in the sun too long when this bridge gets darker, and then it makes my nose look like.
Yeah.
Now you can't see it.
You was late.
What's her name?
Nothing. Literally, it's
Laura
nothing.
Solia.
Solely, what the crap?
You said it's a girl in another class and you play soccer with her? I wouldn't walk down there because it's like junk. We are in New Orleans, Louisiana. We're sitting at the Riverwalk. We just had lunch at a place called, I really don't know. It was just like an outdoor cafe at the French Market. So we're just chilling, enjoying the view. Granny and Fim. It's really nice. We do wish Daddy was here. We miss him. This gorgeous view, and look at them both. Guys, so Femi discovered this old ancient relic. Wait. He says he's never heard this before. You've never heard that before?
No.
Do you know what that is? He's never heard a dial tone before. You have to put money in it to make a call.
I know.
You have 50 cents, you can call Daddy.
Oh, no. I have $10 though.
If he doesn't answer, leave a message and tell him you're calling him from a payphone.
Did you say what is it?
He knew it was a phone, but
Yeah, take a picture of me.
next to a payphone. Is it just ringing?
What's it doing?
Oh, it's leaving a voicemail. Yeah, we're gonna go back that way.
Seems like he sounds like this mixed thinker. Oh, you just got owned.
No, I didn't. That's not. The goal is not to make me laugh. It's to make you laugh.
I know.
And go.
Yeah, but I had to stare at you for 10 seconds. Over 10 seconds. Up.
No, it's over 10 seconds.
Yes. Okay.
Guys, I look like awful. This is not. This is not the camera angle. Oh, my hair. I've got to. We're supposed to be going to dinner. It's like 6 o'clock. So I gotta twist my hair up really quick. This is the view from the window. I'm being pretty lazy, so I'm not gonna get up and show you. Stop, Femi.
I bet you can't make me laugh. Tickling me.
Tickling? Oh, that's easy.
No, I laugh on purpose. I didn't laugh because I laughed.
Move your hands. You're spitting on me. Why are you always in your underwear when I'm vlogging?
I don't know.
It's so easy to make you laugh.
No, I can't open my mouth.
You're gonna spit all over me. It's gross. So tell me about your fashion inspiration here.
What? No.
You're just bored?